Hi there is a new video about scalp trading terminal elements. Today we are talking about clusters and how we can use them to enhance the quality of our trading. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe for our Discord channel to stay tuned. The link in the description. Right below what are the most clear and unclear moments with the previous videos, please share your opinion. What is the clusters area? This is a history of market orders made within a time frame at each price level. Clusters show us the history. If we make it parallel with the time perspective, clusters is the past, tape is present, and order book is future. Limit orders placed in order book will be executed by market participants, whose orders will be displayed here, and then it goes to the history here in clusters. Let's look into details. Green color buyers, red color sellers. The cluster is colored with the color of which side has showed predominance by the moment of 5 minutes or other time frame expiration. In this part, we see the cumulative delta and common volume. Common volume is the total volume of contracts per 5 minutes, both sales and purchases, while cumulative delta is the difference between buyers and sellers. If we see red color, sellers are winning. If we see green color, buyers are winning. If we have, for example, 4 red cumulative deltas in a row, it means that sellers prevailing during 20 minutes and vice versa with green deltas. It's an indirect and additional argument for reversal point or beginning of a new trend. There is a local small trend if there are deltas of the same color in a row. If we have predominantly green color inside the clusters, it's a sign of very active buyers. It happens usually during pumps or long breakouts, and the opposite with dumps or short breakouts. If we have a mess inside with different colors, it's a kind of local struggle between buyers and sellers, a kind of uncertainty. Another important thing, concentration of points of control. Points of control is a maximum volume with 5 minutes. This volume is usually framed with a white color. It could be green or red, it doesn't matter, it just shows the maximum volume. If there is a concentration of points of control in a row, we can perceive this area as a local level. It's the place where participants make collective decisions, opening and closing trades. I think now you will be able to analyze cluster correctly. Please write your questions in the comments below. Thank you for your attention. The video was prepared by the Scalp Trading Terminal team.